What is up, guys? Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at some quick winery information about one of the top estates of the Pomerol appellation in the Bordeaux wine region of France on the right bank. This is a very small estate, as many estates are in Pomerol, only 4.4 hectares or 11 acres of vines, with about 85% Merlot and 15% Cabernet Franc in the final blend. Red wines of pretty high prices, as is usual for Pomerol, but this is one of the top ones at around 200 to 250 euros, $250, $300 a bottle. We are looking at how to pronounce Château L'Église Clinet. Château L'Église Clinet. Do not pronounce the T at the end of Clinet. Do not say L'Église Clinet, but rather Château L'Église Clinet Pomerol wine. Here are more videos if you want to become an expert at pronouncing Bordeaux wine and learn more about wine in general, Bordeaux wines from right and left bank, from everywhere. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.